This video is about how to find book group kits in the catalog. Each kit contains 10 books and is available to check out for 60 days. Start by going to the library website at epls.org. In the search box on the top right corner that says Search Catalog, type the term book group and press Enter. Now you can see the search results for the term, including book group kits. To reduce that number to something more manageable and accurate, in the left-hand column, under Narrow Your Search, find the section Type of Material. Under Type of Material, click More, and find the term Kit. Next to Kit, you'll see the number of book kits the library owns. Click the checkbox next to Kit, and you'll see that the choices are narrowed down to only book group kits. To find only available book group kits, scroll up to the section Availability and click the checkbox next to Available Now. For more sorting options, in the top right-hand corner, check out the drop-down menu underneath Sort.